What is going on, guys? Parallaxox here, and today I'm going to show you how to make first-person mode in your game. So first, you go into starter player, and then down to starter player scripts, insert a local script, and then local player equals game.players.local player, and then player dot camera mode, if I can spell it correctly, equals enum.camera mode dot lock first person. And if we try this now, it'll lock our camera first person, so hit play. Now, as you can see, we're locked to first person. I can't zoom out. And if I go hit escape, well, if I can get to the... I don't know why escape's not working, but if I did click on it, it would show you that I'm locked to first person. I'm zooming it out right now. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.